Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, I just got done taking a shower. It's like to 9 o'clock and I'm really hungry. Well, when have I not said that in my vlog? But I'm about to take a drive down to Evitas. It's about like, I think they said like 14 minutes on Google Maps, so that's what I'm gonna do. I had to close my my drapes because like some people here are like really sexual, like no joke. It was really strange, but whatever. I closed the glass and stuff because but anyway, I'm about to do that right now because like I'm really hungry, and hopefully it's still open because I tried to find out online what time they close, but I didn't see anything. So hopefully they're still open and hopefully the food there is good. So, and hopefully I'll be able to vlog it because it's in the night and I don't even know if I might feel to vlog or not. Who knows? So we got the Google Maps world plug-in to show like 11 minutes away, so yeah, hopefully I make it in time and hopefully it's still open.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Guys, I'm at the wonderful Evitas. I don't think no one's here. It's very sparse, but I'm gonna see what's up to because I'm hungry regardless. Fam, guys, life sad. When the waitress say, how many of them? It's only me. yeah, what a view. Awesome. Alright, thank you. View here is really nice, guys. Like legitimately feel like I'm on the edge of the building, but it's good though. I kind of like the view. I'm kind of very quiet here. I met someone there, so I don't really expect like a lot of persons to be here, but I have been hearing about this place for a very long time. I don't know what I'm gonna order as yet, but hopefully it's something that is gonna be good. I hope it's worth it, and I'll tell you guys all about it, right? So I already don't know what I want to order, guys, but looking at this, my mother always makes, oh, that's our chutney, yeah. She always makes mango chutney, and I like it. So this is a Jamaican curry supreme. It has shrimp, so I don't get soda. So chicken breast, white wine. I think I'm going with that. I swear, guys, up here just really relaxing and just calm. You wouldn't even understand. I don't think I've ever been to a place like this with this type of scenery. The feeling and the vibe that I get is kind of like a bit different, you know. And it kind of offers you a lot of time to reflect on a lot of stuff, especially when no one else is here but me and the waitress.
And that's some cheese dip.
Yeah, yes.
Go with your bread, brush with garlic and olive oil.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so this is something that everybody should learn to do, is learn to appreciate your own self and learn to appreciate time with yourself, because everybody's like, yo, I need to do it with somebody to enjoy myself, which is, well, in all honesty, being with somebody and sharing moments like these is like, it's a lot better. It's 100% better, but it's even better when you know yourself, and you know how to be happy with yourself, and you know how to emit that happiness to somebody else. You see me? And then that would in turn amplify a relationship, you know. So for me, I did this before. I think I did something like this last summer. I went to Nirvana by myself. It was so strange. Like I was at the bar and I ordered like a lobster and wine, and I sat here and I ate it, and it was like, yo, Chano, what a vibe, isn't it? But I enjoyed it though. I don't know if you guys can see like what it's like in here. You see me? That's like the general layout of the place. I go try this bread and cheese thing. Hopefully it's good. Oh, we hear that? Ooh, cheese, nice. It's that cheese dip. Cheese is good. Bread is also good. It's also nice when you go somewhere and they don't give us like a typical roll. I hate that. So like I just had a short conversation with the waitress just now because I was wondering like, you know, why is it that no one's here at the moment, but she was saying like their busy period for up here is like October, November, December, January. So October to January is their busy period. Of course that's winter, so most Europeans and Americans will come to Jamaica at that time. And she was saying like during this period, like you never know, sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. So, and luckily she said that she was about to close down the restaurant, but I came here just in time because they don't really have a set closing time during this period. If they don't see anybody coming for like 1 hour, 2 hours, then you know they're gonna start getting to close down. So that's a pointer for anybody who's looking to come here at a particular time. So your reservation definitely, because I made no reservations. That's me generally. I don't really like making like a steady plan because things can change and I hate disappointments. So I don't really make a steady plan. I have a general idea but never really like a steady plan as to what I'm going to do. So I just here listening to the crickets, you know. Ooh, my food just got here and I'm getting cheesed.
Enjoy.
Thank you. What kind of cheese is it? Parmesan? Oh, nice. Thank you.
You're so good, so low.
So, hopefully, this is really good. I'll let you guys know like what I think about it. You know, bada bing, bada boom. Maybe it's good, maybe it's not. I don't know. Oh, I have to get one for the snap, you know. You have to update Snapchat and stuff. So. Bada bing, bada boom. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Let's see how this tastes. Alright, the shrimp is good. Got a chicken. Okay. I'm not getting too much of this chutney. I'm trying to find some of the chutney somewhere. Pretty good dish. Pretty good. So like I just got done eating. What's my overall impression on the food? It's pretty good. I don't think it's like yo banging, oh my gosh, but it's interesting with the mango chutney. It's alright. Of course it's a good feeling because I don't eat much, so I won't be able to finish this. I was about to leave, but I decided to have some cheesecake. Unfortunately the cheesecake has papa on top. I'll put papa in a shake, but I won't eat it by itself, so I'm gonna try it still. It's like a fruit melody that said papa with pineapples and a raspberry sauce. So yo, hopefully I can manage it because I love cheesecake. And then after that I'm just gonna head back home. Or I don't know. Guys, Bae is here. Yes, look at this. Oh snap. As always guys, I want to give you guys my first review, my first take. I want you guys to watch me eat. People tell me they watch the videos and they get hungry. That's what I want. Come out and eat. You know you want to. Let's see. Oh gosh, baby. Why is it soft and nice? Fuck. Wow. Fam, the texture on the cheesecake is legit. Normally I like more of a New York style cheesecake, which is a little bit firmer. But this one is not as firm, it's more soft, but it's really good. But I haven't tried it with the chutney thing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or not, but let's see. Alright. Oh my god. Hands down. This is the best thing I had here. Hands down. I wish I had this for my dinner instead of the pasta. This is lit. Perfect. It's not very often that I find a cheesecake that I really, that's a lie. Because when we went to Oceans 12 or 11 where I won him, that cheesecake there was lit. I can't say I can compare them because I don't really remember the flavor, but I do know it tastes really good. But this is very surprising. This is surprisingly good. I swear. No man. I don't like papa. And me not. Girl. Anyway, excuse me guys, privacy. So, like I just got done. Again, the cheesecake was like, yo, banging. The waitress said that the cheesecake is always good and it's done in-house. So I was really pleased with the cheesecake. I was more than surprised with it. The portion for me was pretty good also. So I just paid my bill, tipped as well. Remember guys, always tip, especially when you get good service from people tip. I'm saying this because I waited tables before and I know what it feels like to get a tip, yo, because a lot of these people sometimes work really hard. And anyway, if you don't want to eat, don't do it. But yeah, I'm about to leave now. I'm gonna go home. Maybe that's where I end the vlog, but I don't know. Yeah, pretty much it. But like, I know it's a very short vlog, but I don't care. I ain't gonna always give you guys long vlogs, so yeah.
Hey, sweetness. Hey, sweetness. I ain't got no food. Well, I do have food, but it's too hype for you. Hey, sweetness. You're so cute.
I don't know, I just turned on my lights and I see like there's something else over there. I don't know if there's like a little hut or a villa or something like that over there. I'm not quite sure. I probably need to do some research on it. So like I just got back into my room and I was considering opening the shutters to get the whole ocean breeze and thing, but the air outside warm. Like, I kid you not. I don't think the AC in here is like super cold as I want it to be. It's cold, but it's not like, yeah. But I don't think, I'm closing it. So now I'm outside. Curiosity kind of got me. I wanted to know if like people are still out. No. I mean, the bar is still open, but no one's out still, so. Okay. I guess no one's out at the moment, so anyway, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Guys, thank you for coming with me today. Remember to like the video if you enjoyed rolling with me today or tonight. Like the video and remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always keep the link.
Hi Lisa, it's Gregory calling. I just wanted to call to follow up about our date last night. And I had a very good time, and I had a wonderful time getting to know you. I think you are a very attractive and intelligent woman, and I think you're something of a beauty. I know that we had a little bit of a disagreement about how you said that we probably weren't compatible, but I tend to disagree. I think we had a connection on a very chemical level. I could feel it in my gut, and really I could feel it in my soul, and I think that we should continue to get to know each other. So what I'm going to do is propose a round 2.